What's going on, guys? Welcome along to another video. I'm Matt at DSR, and today I'm taking out the Tracer 9 GT and I'm going to be going through the top 5 best features on this bike. This isn't going to be a full ride review. If you want to see that video, then look at the top right hand corner, card will be there. This is just going to be a quick run through of the best features in my eyes for this model. In no particular order then, starting us off at number 1 is the Paniers. I think any bike that comes with Paniers as standard in a decent price range, you can't complain about. So this bike is £13,110 and it comes with Paniers as standard. Most other bikes, that's going to be an £800 to £1,200 accessory that you need to put on top. So Yamaha, I know they've built and designed a touring bike, so they've given you bags straight off the bat. Number 2 then is the quick shifter in this. Up and down is super smooth. When you're going along, your body barely moves when you're going up. Sometimes if you get a quick shifter that isn't that good, there's a lot of jerkiness as there's like a delay from the engine where it cuts the power. Up and down, this Tracer, you can't feel it. Super smooth, and that just adds and enhances the riding that you're going to get from this bike. Riding experience, that's what I was looking for. Number 3 then, the GT has got semi-active electronic suspension, and on the motorways, on these back roads that are notorious for being really bumpy, this thing is soaking it up and it's just super smooth. I'm a big lad, I'm 115 kilos. And I'm having absolutely no dramas with the suspension today. Sometimes over these back roads I'm getting pogoed and bounced around and it's hurting my back. Not with the semi-active on this bad boy. Number 4 on the list of best features of this bike is the overall ergonomics and riding style. It's super comfortable. You're kind of in this natural upright position. Handlebars, I'm not reaching for them, so I'm not getting any strain on my back. Nicely in this kind of bubble that the bike provides with its large touring screen. Overall, just all of it, peg height, seat height, handlebars, it just all lends itself to a really nice, easy bike to ride. And I also love the fact that with the touring screen on, I can have my visor up fully and there's not a lot of wind that kind of comes into my eyes. Some bikes, the wind deflection from the screen forces it straight in your face and you can't have the visor open on a hot day. Not the problem with this bike. Lastly then, at number 5, I think the overall electronics package on this bike for the price point, remember £13,110, is spot on. We've got heated grips, we've got cruise control, we've got rider modes. All of it just as a package just works really well and nicely, and like I said, you can't beat a good price point. Some bikes with a similar tech and a little bit more pushing 20, 25 grand, sometimes even more than 25, up to 28. So for the fact that you could buy 2 of these bikes and still have change left, you can't complain, can you? Now I know when I do these top 5 features, a lot of people complain and go, oh, you missed this out, you missed that out. Hey, this is just my opinion and my view, okay? There are many features on this bike and they're just the 5 that I picked that I like the best. This was short, sweet and to the point. If you did like it, like the video, but more importantly subscribe to the channel. We do plenty of review videos and we're going to start doing some touring as well. Also, don't forget, if you do want to watch the full ride review, check out this video here, and until the next one, ride safe.